seems that they would be lowering it now, so it appears to be on the horizon. Yep, the whole arm of that is going down to be on the horizon. That is the set. The sun goes down when the simulator goes down. Oh, is that funny? You're going to place it right on the horizon. That is so funny. So it sets in space and projects onto the horizon. And most people don't even know this is happening. They think it's the sun. Oh, look at the beautiful sunset. Oh, look at the beautiful sunrise. Thinking it's the sun. Isn't that something? Not even knowing what they're saying. The world is insane. Sorry, but I'm telling you, it would seem that way, wouldn't it? The people doing this are insane, and the people that have no idea what's going on are a little bit lost. Well, maybe a little bit more than a little. Oh, we're in purplish. There's your sunset from a machine.